Hello, we're going to see why you can find or use WhatsApp channels. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. The WhatsApp channels feature has been released globally and will eventually roll out to everyone in the coming weeks. So if you haven't received the update, there's no need to worry. The feature shall soon arrive on your device as well. You can try to share WhatsApp channel link to determine whether you have received the update or not. WhatsApp channels is a brand new feature, and it will take some time for the feature to reach your device. So keep checking in to see if the update section is visible on your WhatsApp app. Here are a couple of common fixes that you can try. First, you can open the Google Play Store or iOS App Store to check if you have missed any updates. If so, update your WhatsApp app. In case you still can't see the updates tab, clear the WhatsApp app cache if you are using an Android device. You can also force restart WhatsApp on Android. iOS users can try offloading and reinstalling the messaging app. You can simply try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp to fix the issue. Probably it isn't a problem with WhatsApp, and it is a classic case of your device just glitching out. Chances are that your device hasn't registered the update in the first place. Restarting your device can fix this. If none of these methods work, you simply haven't received the update yet. Since this is a server-side update, it will take some time to reach all users. You will get the update soon, so stay patient. I hope this helped you and thanks for watching.